Big data is the big problem facing all of us. All of society has this problem, and corporations particularly have this problem of having the right information at the right time to make the right decision. The Center for Visual and Decision Informatics works with industry to help solve these problems and to reuse data in the most powerful way possible.
The combined power of industry and universities working together is that brilliant researchers are addressing the information problems of industry. With CDVI, what industry partners are promoting is access to brilliant people at low risk. Together, we are solving problems that otherwise will go unattended, limiting the efficiency of business enterprise.
The Center for Visual and Decision Informatics is industry's doorway to innovation and external technologies. With large datasets available, the Center is developing extensive methods needed to analyze and visually interpret the data and to understand trends, patterns, and correlations characterizing individuals, entities, and networks. Our mission is to drive continuous innovation and to maximize the commercial applications of new information technologies.
Research in information security encompasses protocols, algorithms, and technologies that will secure both embedded systems as well as virtualized systems and distributed systems so that information when it arrives on your desk is reliable and trustworthy.
We're tackling the problem of real-time analysis and visualization of sensor data. The multidimensional nature, the volume and variety of sensor data present challenges for decision makers to rapidly interpret actionable information. Our work will develop techniques for real-time analysis and visualization of sensor data. This framework is applicable to any streaming real-time data, including tracking disasters, online user behavior, inventory management, and many other applications.
We shall be developing web mining, qualitative and quantitative analysis, social network analysis, and social computing techniques to understand the diffusion of health information as well as the social support among the e-patients.
The research focuses upon the analysis and visualization of large-scale, real-time, dynamic data. It is applicable to the complex communication networks via the use of a 3D visualization tool that enables companies to quickly gain insight on the behavior of the network. The tool will permit them to visually identify any bottlenecks, problems, or areas for improvement.
We are drowning in data and starving for knowledge. For drug discovery, for example, data mining and visualization techniques are essential to expedite progress, to save some of the 800 million to 1 billion now expended for the delivery of a single new drug.
With the NSF IUCRC program, we have a shared research model that allows a lower cost of entry for business and industry. And their returns on investment are much higher because the industry is pooling in money and then deciding what problems the university center should focus on. Industry truly helps shape and select the research projects that are indeed viable and necessary to address industry problems.
Having led a research program in industry for several decades in information technology, I'm delighted to join the center to help apply this technology to industry. Especially now with compute power exploding, with information mobility and edge devices taking off, and with users seeing the potential of using all the data anywhere and anytime, it is the right time to invest in this technology.
Information is the key asset for corporations and for many kinds of organizations.
I invite you to get on board. Together we will solve the most challenging problems that we face as a nation and as a civilization.